to back up all data on Android before factory reset. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how we can back up all data on Android before factory reset. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to back up all of the data on your Android device, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. Just head over to the main settings of your device. After that, you're just gonna head over, just scroll down a bit until you are able to find this option called Google's. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be finding your Google account associated or linked here. You're just gonna go to the all services section, just tap on it, and here scroll down until you are able to find backup option. Just simply click on the backup option, and here you'll be finding this backup your device option along with photos, videos and different all of the data on your device. Just confirm it, and after confirming it, it will start backing up your data. But before that, maybe you need to verify yourself, and it will continue after that. So therefore, this is the process on how you can back up your data on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.